Hey YouTube, Captain Mark here from Kings Landing Sport Fishing. Down at the boat today doing some maintenance and filming some videos. And one of the videos I wanted to do was how to make your own cut bait. So what I've got here is I've got a pack of Northern King bait, blue herring. These I think are about 6-inch herring. And I'm going to show you how to strip these. Today I'm going to brine them. I'm going to do a quick brine. So I'm going to use Potski fire brine to brine these and show you how to strip them yourself. It's an inexpensive way to do meat strips versus buying already stripped. Not that I have nothing against already stripped bait, just I go through a lot of bait on the charter boat this every season, and you know, doing it myself is just something I like to do. So like I said, you need a pack of bait, you need some brine. You can either make your own brine. I've done a video before on how to make your own brine, and I'll tag that here. But today I'm doing a quick brine with Potskis. In addition to the bait and the brine, you need some tools. So I use the Cuda knives. I've got a small one and a large one. These are great knives. And then also the Cuda scissors. These are just great tools I've started using on the boat last year, and now it's all I use. I will put some links in the description below. They're Amazon associate links, so that way you can click on those links. It'll take you right to the products. If you want to buy them, please support the channel by clicking on the links to buy them. Amazon give me a percentage of the sales, and it goes to help support the channel and the items I need to keep the channel running. But anyways, you know, I'm gonna flip the camera in a second to the bait board here, and I'll start prepping those and showing you how I prepare them. But first thing I do is I gotta open the pack. I've had these out defrosting for about an hour or two. I don't want the bait to be frozen as I cut it. So first thing I do is I'm gonna open the pack, and I'm gonna slide out the fish. Like I said, I've had it defrosting. I let it defrost because that way slides out nice and easy, and I don't rip the scales off. So let's flip the video and show you how I do it. Okay, so let's get started. So a couple of things. I do need a container. So what I've got here is I've got it's a snap lock container I picked up at the dollar store for about $2 or $3, and that's what I'm going to use to put the strips in, and then I'll put the brine in afterwards. So let's get that to the side. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take one of the fish, take one of my knives, and I'm going to take it and I'm just going to slice down, and I'm going to basically slice that strip right off. And there we go. We got one nice strip there. I'm going to take the insides out, and there's one slice strip. I call that the B side. And then I'm going to do the same thing to get the A side. And in this case, it's separated. This fish is a bit too soft. But now I'm going to take it and I'm going to try and get that spine out. And once I get to the end here, I want to keep the tail on this side. So I take my scissors and I just cut the end. Still get the insides out, put those to the side. And there you can see I've got a really nice strip. Now what I'll typically do is I'll just brine it like that. But if you want to clean them up beforehand, you can just take your scissors, you can cut away, and there you go. Nice strip. I'll take that, put that in the brine, and move on to my next fish. And you know, now I'm going to grab the larger knife, and I'm going to do the same thing here. I just slide it down. And there we go. We've got another strip. Take the insides out again and throw that in my bucket. Make sure you can see that here. Throw that in my container here. And we're going to work the other side. Similar pace. Take it. Slide it down. Now in this particular case, I've still got some of the spine in here, so I'll take my knife and just kind of clean it up. And that's why I like the scissors again. I'll show you just because I like to keep the tail on this side. Clean it up. And there you go, another nice strip. If I want to clean it up again, I can do that here now. And there we go. We've got another strip. Take the guts out again in my bucket. So what I'll do is, you know, while I've got a whole bunch more here, you don't need to see me do the entire pack. What I then do is with these, I take my Potsy fire brine. Just pour some in. I want to cover the bait. So there you go. And then what I'll do is I'll basically take that, put the lid on, and I'll put it in my fridge for 2 or 3 days, and then they'll come out nice and firm, and they'll be ready to fish. And then once I put them in the meathead, I'll clean them up with the scissors right on the boat and make them so I can slide them into the meat rig. But super simple, super effective way to strip your own bait. So I'm going to stop the video now, but you know, I am going to do the rest of these baits. But feel free, if you like the video, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button. But great way to strip bait, really, really easy. Hope you find this useful, and good luck on the water this year. Talk to you later.